Hi there. So when you first start out and you don't have any links to your website, even the no follow links really are not bad. So what you do is you basically you make your Facebook page, a Twitter account, and from all of those you link to your website. And here is another one, crunchbase.com, which is a very popular thing. And so if you have a small business, you can enter your profile, and it will have a link to your website, and you can actually create a profile for your business, so your own professional profile and your business profile. And here you also will have a link to your business as well, right? And it's all, these are no follow links, just like in the Facebook or Twitter pages. They're also no follow, and a whole bunch of other social media sites, and maybe Yelp.com or whatever that makes sense for your business. They aren't. They're all no follow links, which is not great, but they will give you a little bit of a tiny boost. Okay, so try that when you first start out. It's like one of the things you do. It will get the crawlers to crawl your website, and you'll basically start having immediate activity from these little links that you get. So that's it. Just a little tip here for when you first start out. Just basically make all the social media accounts linked right to your website.